This is an introductory video for the new Space Monitor by Samsung. The inconvenient and cluttered space occupied by desktop monitors has been accepted as a normal way of life, until now. With this in mind, the new Samsung Space Monitor by Samsung offers a revolutionary new experience by freeing up the space on your desk that was once occupied by the monitor. In this video, we will explain how to unbox and install the new Samsung Space Monitor with a detailed description of its features and functions. The new Samsung Space Monitor comes in this box. Displayed outside is the image of the new monitor along with the basic product specifications. If you take a look, especially at the back of the box, you can find the description of its dimensions along with requirements for product installation. We will now take a closer look by opening the box. Please take caution when opening the packaging to avoid causing damage as you remove the items contained inside. Let's proceed carefully. On the right inner wing of the box, the quick setup guide is presented in an image. And on the left inner wing, a short description of control buttons is also shown in an image. Contained inside, you will find the monitor, desk mount stand cover, power adapter, 4 small screws, quick setup guide, product warranty, HDMI ready Y cable. Please note that the provided Samsung's Y cable splits its output power cable into 2 input connections. It's possible to seamlessly connect the monitor's HDMI and power adapter through a single cable. We will now begin setting up the monitor, easily completed in 3 simple steps. First off, attach the desk mount stand to the monitor with a screwdriver. Second, release the clamp attached at the bottom of the desk mount stand. Then fasten the clamp to the desk and secure tightly. The clamp can extend up to 3.5 inches, so the stand can be attached to any desktop surface with thickness within this range. Concerned with how the fastening unit might affect your desk? Don't worry. The clamp's rubber padding will not scratch or harm your desk's surface. The clamp is more durable than you might think. It is equipped with a robust hinge developed through Samsung's many years of advanced technology. Problems will not arise due to unintended contact made by children or pets on the monitor. A typical scene behind a monitor is a jumble of exposed cables. However, with the Samsung Space Monitor, even this clutter is effectively organized. With Samsung's Y cable, you can integrate the HDMI cable, which connects to other peripherals, and run each cable separately by inserting them into the back of the monitor stand. You might be concerned that the cables might come loose if the monitor shifts, but once the cables are inserted, they will stay securely in place regardless of the monitor's movement. The Samsung Space Monitor has been designed to open up your workspace. The zero-gap design, where the monitor stands flush against the wall, frees up the available space on your desk, optimizing it like never before. In case of Samsung's 32-inch SD850 monitor, it occupies nearly 30% of desk space. However, with the Samsung Space Monitor, the clamp occupies only 2% of desk space. The Samsung Space Monitor reduces the space occupied by the monitor up to 94% and increases usable desk space by 40%, freeing up space for other work. The Samsung Space Monitor also has a zero-level height-adjustable stand, where you can easily tilt the display screen from back of the wall down to the surface of your desk. The screen can be freely adjusted within a range of 8.38 inches for the 27-inch Space Monitor and 7.24 inches for the 32-inch Space Monitor. This is the maximum adjustable range in the industry. The Samsung Space Monitor not only creates a clean, spacious desk area, but also gives you more screen real estate. The monitor's bezel-less screen integrates an ultra-thin bezel on 3 sides, offering a larger, more expansive display showcasing a sleek and modern design. In addition, the 27-inch Space Monitor comes with a 2560 by 1440 QHD screen and the 32-inch Space Monitor with a 3840 by 2160 UHD screen. allowing you to perform a variety of tasks at high resolutions. Now let's take a closer look at the rich user experience offered by the Samsung Space Monitor through its zero-level HOS technology. At home or at the office, you often have to view several screens at once. To maximize productivity, you can temporarily reposition the Samsung Space Monitor up to the wall, making it possible to view multiple windows and sets of data in one view. Picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture features provided by the Samsung Space Monitor also enable you to navigate the widescreen much more efficiently and productively. And where work often requires you to toggle between a desktop computer and a laptop, simply adjust the monitor height to the height of your laptop screen. By leveling the two screens horizontally next to each other, you can comfortably view your work side by side and reduce straining your eyes. And even when you're not working, the Samsung Space Monitor offers a customizable user experience. Would you like a more immersive viewing experience while watching a movie or a TV show? If so, you can simply pull the Samsung Space Monitor forward closer to you. This is also true when you want to immerse yourself in a video game. Simply by adjusting the height of the screen to your eye level, you can enjoy a more comfortable and vivid gaming experience. The Samsung Space Monitor offers a revolutionary new experience like never before. Rediscover your lost space with the Samsung Space Monitor. Reclaim your space.